Last mile! Let's go! 21.1 kilometers, just a number until you have to run every single one of them. This was my first ever half marathon and I honestly had no idea what to expect. Excitement, nervous energy, thousands of runners, one beautiful city. The city that I've been for 5 years now. That would take us through the heart of Bristol before climbing to one of its most iconic landmarks. This is my Bristol Half Marathon 2026. The prep started the night before. Running pouch, my running attire, energy gels. Sounds simple, but I rather have everything prepared, which means one last thing to worry about tomorrow. And the race morning arrived. Breakfast was kept simple and nothing experimental. My peanut butter toast with banana. Our first half marathon. Good luck, let's go, come on. As soon as I reached Millennium Square, the atmosphere completely changed. Everywhere you look, there were runners. Some stretching, some chatting. Yeah, storage places. We are all about to share the same 21.1 kilometers. From there, we all slowly filtered towards Broad Quay. I'm in the pink wave, so I started about 9. This year's route was actually reversed compared with previous years. Instead of heading towards the Portway first, we would begin right in Bristol city centre before making our way to the Portway later.
Good luck, Daisy. Lots of smiling faces starting this run. Go on, Millie, have a good run.
First timers, thank you for choosing us to be your first half marathon. We hope you have a...
St. Nicholas Market, Queen Square and Castle Park. Since this is my first half marathon, I keep reminding myself, don't start too fast. Adrenaline can make every pace feel busy at the beginning. By 2, by 3, by 4 kilometers, I settled into a rhythm. The nerves slowly faded. The crowds were incredible. The music, the cheers, every corner seemed louder than the last. As we ran from the city centre towards the Portway, the race started to feel very different. There was more space, fewer buildings, and longer stretches. We could really settle into our pace. Around the halfway point, one of the highlights of the entire course appeared. One of Bristol's most famous landmarks, the iconic Clifton Suspension Bridge. Crossing thousands of runners, something I'll never forget. The views were spectacular, although by this point I was trying not to admire them for too long. Challenging like this. 4 miles up the Portway, 4 miles back. I'm at 12 maybe. Keep going! Don't stop! One step at a time. After turning back onto the Portway, the real challenge began. My legs were definitely starting to feel every kilometer. At 18 kilometer point mark, I was literally doubting myself, doubting life. My legs were shaking. At this point, it wasn't really about running faster anymore. It was just about keep moving, one step and another. Last mile! 800 left, last one! Let's go! Last one! And finally, Anchor Road appeared. I could hear the finish line before I could see it. The crowds got louder, the adrenaline come back. And suddenly, after 21.1 kilometers, I crossed my very first half marathon finish line. Okay, let's collect our t-shirt. Another small one. Thank you.
Yeah, all the like, mine good.
What is that? What's inside?
Coffee bag.
Not bad, yay!
Salt for your feet. From IP Zero. Deodorant. Electrolyte powder mix.
Yay!
Finisher.
Yay! Look at my pace. 2:26:36. My new this is honestly my fastest so far. It wasn't about about chasing a particular time. It was now more about proving to myself that I could do it. 6 months ago of me, I could barely run a 5k, and now I could say I've done a half marathon. Every early morning run, every training session, every long run, that they all led to this moment. I am so proud whoever that joined this race, whether that's our first ever half marathon or trying to chase for our PB. It's definitely an unforgettable experience, especially looking at my friends cheering me around at the finishing line. If you're ever thinking about signing up for your first race, this is your sign. You will never regret discovering what you are capable of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next starting line.